Welcome back to the Global Megabuilds. Today, we're at Camp Nou, where every corner of the stadium is buzzing with action. The sleek llamas are being installed on the façade, giving us the first real glimpse of the stadium's modern design. Towers rise, slabs are set, and every team on site is pushing forward, working with precision and speed, bringing the future of FC Barcelona's home closer, step by step. You can feel the energy, the motion, and the incredible scale of this project everywhere you look. Let's dive in. At the north goal, workers are busy with heavy structural work. Large formwork panels are set up, fresh concrete is being poured, and alveolar slabs are added step by step. Elevated platforms constantly move materials to different levels. The zone feels alive with motion, showing steady progress, and you can already imagine how the new tiers will look once the slabs are fully connected. One of the most exciting updates is the arrival of the Lamas, the slatted panels that will form part of the new façade. Seeing them installed brings the future stadium to life. Until now, most of the work has been raw concrete and reinforcement. But the Lamas show us the modern design promised by the architects. For many fans, this is the first real glimpse of how the completed Camp Nou will look, and it makes the project feel closer than ever. On the south goal side, several pillars have already been concreted and scaffolding rises higher each week. The geometry of the stands is becoming clearer as old and new structures blend together. Workers are also making small adjustments to ensure everything fits perfectly. Overall, the south goal is advancing in a balanced and solid way, and the structure is ready for the next steps. In the corners of the stadium, visible progress is also taking place. In one section, fences have been removed, opening the view and signaling that the heaviest groundwork is now shifting toward finishing phases. Materials are stored nearby, ready to be lifted and installed, and small teams of workers are constantly preparing the next connections between the corners and the main stands. On the lateral side, workers continue installing slabs that will support the new seating zones. You can clearly see platforms where staircases will later be connected. The concrete pump, often called the elephant trunk, is in constant use, pouring fresh concrete deep into the formwork. Watching the crews operate this machinery is impressive, as everything must be precise and timed correctly. The lateral may not look finished yet, but the foundations for future seating and circulation areas are already in place. In the parking area, groundwork has been completed in several zones, and surfaces are now being prepared for the next stages. Cranes and trucks are actively moving prefabricated panels, while scaffolding and formwork are set up to support fresh concrete pours. Reinforcement with rebar is visible across the site, and materials are neatly arranged for upcoming installations. This progress is key, as the parking area will provide the main access and circulation support for fans once the stadium reopens. Across every section, the Camp Nou is advancing rapidly. There are still small challenges, like correcting bracket alignments or adapting scaffolding, but that is part of normal construction. What matters is that solutions are applied quickly, and the overall momentum never stops. Walking around the site, you see constant motion, hear the machines working, and feel the energy of progress. With each new slab, each panel, and each llama installed, the future of FC Barcelona's home becomes more real. The stadium is not just being rebuilt, it is being reborn. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back soon with more exciting Global Megabuilds coverage.